The other nice thing about cats, and especially this breed that's a very quiet breed, is that they do like being stroked a lot. And this, of course, forms a bond with their owners as well. Many cats don't like being stroked for a long time, and I think the Scottish Fold actually loves it for quite long periods, which probably makes them a really good cat for older people too, who like just sitting around. The cat really loves sitting beside people. He's jumped up, nice comfortable spot, human right next to him. Very quiet, his tail isn't moving at all, which means he's very content.